So we're gonna make a 100 subscriber play button out of cardboard. Yay! Music on, I just don't know how to do that. I'm gonna use scissors. Yeah. Yeah. Cut it enough. Yeah, boy. I sense that this needs to be used. It's warming up. So let's find some things we can use. Glitter, of course. We're definitely gonna use that. And a lot of stuff in here, so there's a picture of me there. You can't see that. I'm gonna cover that up. Yeah. Now you can see me, just the tip of my hair. Okay, we need to do this. We can definitely. Oh, I don't want to use that. We can use them. And these. I'm just taking everything I think I can use. I don't know if I can use them all, but I wish I liked. I'm gonna try to find some. Okay, I found that. I found one. It should be one. Oh yeah, that's very hot. Just gonna lay it there. Back to the cardboard. 1, 10, 100. Yay! Comes the dangerous part. Good. Good. We need more of those. Now we add. We add sparkles. So, what is this named? Okay. I think we're just gonna sprinkle it like that. Oh, this is the final thing. Good. I think it's pretty cool. Yeah. I'm just gonna stand that right there and goodbye, guys. Yeah. Hope we hit 1,000 subscribers in like a year or something. Yeah, but thanks for all the support, and yeah, it feels like it was, I don't know, 2 months since I started the channel, and we already have like 100 subs. Oh no, now my camera's shaking. Oh. No. Oh, yeah. Goodbye, guys.